Good morning, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas day 12 and it's another snow day. I'm actually kind of sad that it's another snow day because I definitely miss my students. It's been 4 work days. I have not seen them. This is the week that they show me how much they have learned over the months, and I'm just really sad. I feel myself going into somewhat a depression stage because what? Like, we've been working our butts off for the past month or so. And I'm just like, will I even get to see the progress? Will I be able to get to assess the progress? But I am about to go outside to see how much snow has fallen. And here you guys go. This is what it looks like. I am going to show you guys my feet once I walk through this. Do y'all see that? That's like literally almost up to my knee. Look at my pants. I told y'all that snow almost literally went up to my knee, and I believe it would have went up to my knee if I would have kept going. I am back in the house, and I'm not gonna lie, today is definitely gonna be a lazy day. I'm probably going to try on outfits, watch some more Christmas movies, make me some hot chocolate, wait until my boyfriend is home so we can shove this snow together, sit back and enjoy this lazy day with me. Before I make some hot chocolate, I'm gonna show y'all how I get my cardio in. So y'all know that little midge dance that's going viral on TikTok. I really can't get the second count. So literally, I just use this dance as cardio. I just do it over and over again, even though I don't do it right. But your girl is sweating. Like, 1, and you gotta swing your legs. 1, 2, and some people leg be like, or somehow they slide out like that. I don't know, but 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're supposed, it's supposed to come right here. And you're supposed to pop out, roll the body, and then swing your head. And then I know it's here. Grab the air. And then this part right here. Roll, out, up. Yeah, I know it's ghetto, but your girl is sweating. You probably can't see through the sweatshirt, but that's how I get my cardio in. Like, I think for my girls who are trying to lose weight and trying to stay fit and trying to maintain weight, literally just get on TikTok, look at them dances they be doing, even if you can't do them, but it's good cardio. Doing something over and over again, that's good cardio. So that's what I be doing. But yeah, now your girl about to make her some hot chocolate, and I'm about to watch these Christmas movies. I might not need no hot chocolate because I'm hot and I'm sweating. So it may be drinking water and watching movies. And the perfect holiday it is. All right, it's time to shove. So y'all, I have been trying to find an outfit to go with these green pants, and maybe y'all can help me. So I have these 3 shirts. We're gonna try all of them on, and y'all let me know which one you like best. So here are the pants by themselves. I'm going to try the black turtleneck first. Here's the black turtleneck with the pants, the cow print purse. It takes a long time to put these shoes on. I don't feel like putting them on, but that's the first outfit. And then we have this shirt, which is some type of print. I don't know. See, I like the vibe that it's giving out, but I don't want it to be doing too much. Do you guys think it's doing too much? With the corduroy and this, I don't know. And with a simple black purse. And then I have these heels, which I want to see what these heels look like with these pants on. I don't like how the boot heels look with these pants. I feel like you need a flat heel for these flare out pants because they already flare out. It's supposed to flare out. If you put heels on, then they won't be able to flare out. But the green on green going on. I don't know why I picked up this green purse, but you know. All right, so I gave you guys 3 outfits. Let me know which one is your favorite, because I've been trying to put these outfits together for the longest, and I'm trying to find the perfect one. And this is another candle that smells good, and I had got this way before the sale. I just wanted to go in the store and buy something, and it is called Strawberry Snowflakes. Back to watching movies. For dinner, we are having wings, and you see my boyfriend put me in charge of seasoning because he know I don't play. Blood pressure gonna be past high over here. All done. On the side, we are having this broccoli cheddar rice, which is the best. And I like to add real broccoli. All done. Thanks for spending the day with me. I really hope we have school tomorrow. See you guys on the next VLOGMAS.